call it Interstate 30.
What you doing, man?
Just up ahead and on your right is Superman Tower of Power. At over 32 stories, it's the tallest ride of its kind in North America.
Hi, Maddie.
Over to your left is the Ghost Town Saloon. Y'all see my friends Ace, Chip, and Double Down. They're all still playing a poker game. If you look above you, below you, to your right or to your left, you see the tracks of the Runaway Mine Train. Built in 1966, it is the world's first tubular steel roller coaster. This Runaway Mine Train takes you over 3 left hills, through a saloon, and down into two underground mines. The red and blue tracks we're going through are the tracks of Mr. Freeze.